So the fifth one of the exercise is bird dog 2, which is the regression form of the dog form exercise. So the same form as the dog form, do it like this. Just relax your spine, not like don't do this, but just relax it. And the regression part is you have to move your knees a little bit, and same as the spine, do not do like this, but do this. Just relax your spine. And same as dog form, try to swing your arms the same level as your head, like this, slowly this, and this. Let me adjust my position correctly. Okay, and okay, attack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's add 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we did it.